You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome along. Today we're digging into some really fascinating tech developments, trying to figure out, what they actually mean for us. Let's jump right in with Apple. They seem to be making this massive push into AI.
Oh, absolutely. It's quite ambitious.
Yeah, they're talking about things like a tabletop virtual companion, a Siri that's much more lifelike, smart speakers with displays, even getting into home security cameras. It feels like a whole ecosystem.
It really does. It feels like a very concerted effort, getting their AI strategy properly on track.
Right, integrating it deeply across the board.
Exactly. Responding to how fast everything's changing in tech, trying to embed AI into, everything.
And speaking of that changing landscape,
Yeah.
Apple's not the only one making big moves here, right? There's a new player emerging.
That's right. Keep an eye out for DeepSeek R2.
DeepSeek R2.
Yeah, it's powered by Huawei Ascend AI chips. And what's really interesting is the model type.
Okay.
It's an advanced mixture of experts model.
Mixture of experts.
Well,
What does that mean exactly?
Well, think of it like having multiple specialized AI brains inside one system. Each one is an expert on different tasks.
Ah, okay. So we can handle diverse things more effectively.
Precisely. More efficient, potentially more capable. But here's the kicker.
Uh-huh.
The pricing. Analysts are expecting it to be significantly cheaper than, say, OpenAI's next big thing, like GPT-5.
Wow, significantly cheaper. So, okay, what does that actually mean for access? Does AI just get easier for everyone to use?
Well, it could mean exactly that, a real democratization of AI.
Democratization. How so?
Think about it. Sophisticated AI tools that maybe only huge companies could afford. Suddenly, they could be within reach for, small businesses, individual developers, creators.
Right.
It's not just about saving money for the big guys. It could spark this explosion of really specific niche AI applications.
Which could challenge the current giants.
Potentially, yes. It could really reshape how we all interact with AI.
That's a huge shift for digital access.
Yeah.
And of course, all this tech needs power, needs connection. Let's talk infrastructure for a second. There are some pretty incredible things happening with high-speed internet.
Oh, yeah, like Illyria's Tight Beam system.
Illyria. That came out of Alphabet's Loon project, didn't it?
That's the one. They've managed to beam a 100 gigabit per second internet connection using optical lasers.
100 gigabits. How far?
Across 40 miles.
40 miles. With lasers. That's amazing.
It is, and it's not just about speed. They've engineered it to be really resilient, even in bad weather.
So it's practical, not just a lab experiment.
Exactly. The aim is connectivity across land, sea, air, even from satellites eventually.
So think disaster relief, remote areas.
Absolutely. Bringing high-speed internet where it's never been possible, it fundamentally changes things for, global digital inclusion.
Lasers beaming internet. It really does sound like science fiction becoming reality. Makes you wonder what else is coming.
Doesn't it just...
And connecting that kind of leap, let's talk about energy, because there are monumental shifts happening there too.
Yeah, the scale of transformation is just something else. Look at China.
Right. Becoming an electro state, as some are calling it.
Pretty much. Consider the statistic. In just April, China installed more solar power than Australia has in its entire history.
More in 1 month than Australia's total.
Yes. It's astonishing. They're driving hard for energy independence, tackling pollution.
And the side effect is?
Well, the side effect, or maybe the main effect for the rest of us, is that they're massively accelerating the shift away from fossil fuels globally.
It's almost dizzying, isn't it? The pace of change across AI, connectivity, energy.
It really is.
But bringing it back down to earth a bit.
Yeah.
What does all this tech progress mean for us? Day to day in the real world.
Well, we're already seeing the ripples, aren't we? There are tough stories. Talented people losing jobs.
Yeah.
And you hear business leaders talking quite openly about planning to replace human workers with AI.
Right. It's not just theoretical anymore.
No, and it goes beyond just jobs or efficiency. It forces us to rethink, what skills matter? How do our economies even work? AI isn't just another tool. It's impacting our defining human ability thinking.
How we learn, create, maybe even how we define intelligence itself.
Exactly. It's a multidimensional revolution, really.
So from AI changing thought itself, to laser internet, to whole nations flipping their energy systems, the speed is just incredible.
It is. And these shifts, they're not just about fancy gadgets, are they? They're fundamentally reshaping our world, our societies, our place in it all.
Yeah, challenging everything we thought we knew about work, connection,
Mm.
maybe even what it means to be human.
It's a lot to take in.
It really makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How will all of these developments keep redefining our lives, our world? What adaptations are coming that we can't even imagine yet? Something to ponder. Thanks for exploring with us today.
Spoken Tech for your ears.